nasty. Oh. All right, stop for a second. Hold on. All right. Hey. Oh. What's wrong?
Nothing. What's wrong with you?
All right, guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. Glad to have you here. This week's video is going to be a little bit different, actually probably a lot different. I think it's just going to kind of be a day in the life, because that's exactly what we got going on. It's been just RV life and life itself. A lot going on. We've been getting ready for our hootenanny, dealing with a lot of stuff with that. That's coming up in October. October the 13th through 16th in Savannah, Georgia. So all that information is up on our website, www.homeonthehitch.com. Make sure you check that out. So yesterday was quite the marathon day. I worked night shift at the ER, so I got off work and headed north to go pick up a bargain I found online. And it was about a 2.5, 3 hour drive for me to get there. And the same back. So by the time I got back, I was exhausted. Mel took off to go home to take care of some business that ended up getting canceled. So she had to turn around and come right back. That was a pain in the butt, but hey, what you gonna do? That's life. But check this out, man. I got a great deal on this behemoth RDS tank and toolbox combo. This thing is massive. It's a 90-gallon tank. Yeah, 90 gallons. Ooh, baby.
Oh, there comes Mel. There's Mel. There's Dog. Hi, Dog. Hi. Oh my goodness. Who is it? Oh, hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hey,
How
baby.
you doing?
Hey, I'm good. How are y'all?
Good.
Oh, the Dog.
We're so happy to be here.
Yeah. Just hold on tight.
Oh, the dog. Hey, baby.
So we're going to be working on that soon. Today, I've got to pull that box that I've got back there. It's got my tools, and I'm going to pull that out. I've got all the hoses and everything as far as connected to the fuel fill line that's already in, but I do have a electric solenoid and a 12-volt fuel pump that I'm going to try and work with. So stay tuned and we'll see how that goes. I want to give a real quick shout out and thank you to one of our channel sponsors. That's Dock and Stow. Make sure you check out their website. Our video for their stuff is up here. If you need a great block for your travel trailer or your boat trailer tongue jack, Dock and Stow's got you covered. Coming soon, Gen 3 blocks are going to be out for the stabilizer jack, so don't miss that. Make sure you go to their website, Dock and Stow. So it's just been super busy with working and trying to get in the swing of things. This pretty much full-time RV life. It's got our table set up. We got some tomato plants coming in and some nice tomatoes. So those should be coming up pretty soon. And we got our shelter, our little shelter, our gazebo tent set up here. Mel's getting it all done. We got lights inside. It's real nice to sit out in the evening, put some fans in there and just kind of hang out and enjoy the outside without too much of the bugs. And they don't want to be on camera. I don't think Mel, there's Mel.
Mel doesn't do the camera now either.
And the house is a mess.
Dirty camper.
That's all right. This is real life. I'm telling you, by the time I got back and sat down, I was exhausted, couldn't hold my eyes open. And then Mel got back in from her drive, and We didn't do it, nothing. Let's see, can you see me? Oh, there it is. We got a few hummingbirds that come by and visit from time to time. So stick around. This is going to be been hodgepodge. That's good. We've been working on stuff for the hootenanny. I got a test shirt in, although we're not happy with the shirt. Love the artwork that's on it, so we're changing the shirt. Gonna keep the same artwork. It's gonna be great. We'll show you that in a little bit. I think we're gonna go to Waffle House. Yeah. It's made for the sheets, not the streets. So we do get a lot, you get a lot of questions about how do you pick up packages, mail, not like mail. She gets mad if I try to pick her up. So, when you're on the road, if you're long term, a lot of places, most places that you're staying, don't mind having packages and stuff sent there for you. And that's what we do here. We don't have our regular mail sent here, but packages that we order, we do. And we're gonna go pick something up right now. So the way we do that is let's scooter. Oh, there's a speed bump. I wonder if I can make it through the middle. So yeah, we go get packages at the front office, and they usually will just text us or tell us when something's there. So I just love this thing now, so I'll get myself. And then we just come up here and grab it. So what I'll do is Mel's got this little thing on the front of her scooter, and I'll just put it in there. Nice out here. It's not so hot yet. It will be hot later. It's still very early in the morning though. And that is how we get packages. That's nice. Is this our...
Are you sarcastic?
I am not sarcastic. I like it. It's like a
little oasis.
It is like a little igloo. Oasis igloo.
Well, it's not an igloo. It's not a freezer.
That's an oasis. Well, that's nasty. Oh, come on. All right, stop. Here's this arm is broken. You can see the crack, I think, right there in that arm. So what happens with these is, and this is the perfect position actually, you see how this shock, that shock right there in the middle is straight out. What happens is when you go to retract that awning, if that shock catches and doesn't start to retract automatically, like go in, then it just forces this arm to buckle. And that's what happened actually on both sides of this thing. So we went out to dinner last night. When we came back, a storm had passed through. When we were at dinner, and went ahead and broke that awning arm off that was bent or had a crack in it already. So I got that over here. I had to roll the awning back up. So that went ahead and snapped off. It's always something. So I'll have to fix that. Like I had to fix the other side, but it's the same exact thing that happened to the other side. So real way to secure it out. So I had to roll it in the best we can and zip tie it in place for now. I will either get everything I need to fix it when we go home next time, or I will wait until we get the RV back up there. I really would like to be able to use the awning, but we'll see. So I think with the fuel tank, yeah, I got a few options with it, but I think what I'm going to do, instead of doing a gravity feed, like I normally did with the other tank, I got this 12 volt, 9 PSI fuel pump that I will attach here to the side of the toolbox. And I ordered a pickup tube to go here. It's got a 90 degree and a hose barb on it. So we'll hook that up to the pump and run that to the switch panel inside. I'll have to get an extra pump just in case I have a pump failure, but that should be pretty cool. And I don't know if this fuel gauge works or not, because the tank is empty and it's showing empty, but we'll see. It's kind of windy right now. Seems like it might come another storm. Yeah, look at the trees over there. You guys, make sure if you haven't, take a second to go over and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you won't miss a thing when we upload a new video. So, subscribe.